Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S squared minus s raised to power 3 is equal to 576. Solution. Then this can be written as s squared minus s raised to power 3. Then let's take this to this side. It becomes minus 576 is equal to 0. But 576 is equal to 512 plus 64. Then 512 is the same thing as 8 raised to power 3. Then plus 64 is the same thing as 8 square. Then this can be written as s square minus s raised to power 3, and this is minus 8 raised to power 3 plus 8 square is equal to 0. Now here we have s square minus s raised to power 3 minus 8 raised to power 3 minus 8 square is equal to 0. Now let us pair this to this and this to this. Here we have s square minus 8 square. Here is minus s raised to power 3 plus 8 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then if you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now here a is equal to s and b is equal to 8. Let us substitute here. We have s plus 8 bracket s minus 8 minus bracket, here is s plus 8 bracket s square minus 8 multiplied by s plus 8 square and close here is equal to 0. Then here we have s plus 8 is common. S plus 8 bracket, if you divide this by this, we have s minus 8 minus, if you divide this by this, we have s square minus 8s plus 8 square, that is 64, is equal to 0. Now here is s plus 8 bracket, here is s minus 8 minus s square, minus times minus 8s, this is plus 8s, minus times plus 64, that is minus 64, is equal to 0. This is s plus h bracket. Here is minus s square, then 8s plus s, that is plus 9s, then minus h minus 64, that is minus 72, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s plus h is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to minus 8. This is the first value of x. And from here, we have minus s squared plus 9s minus 72 is equal to 0. So let's divide all through by minus 1. This will become s squared minus 9s plus 72 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. Then from here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 9, c is equal to 72. And the quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then s is equal to minus bracket minus 9 plus or minus square root of minus 9 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 72 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of minus 9 squared, that is 81, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 72. That is 288 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 288, that is minus 207 over 2. And this is the same thing as 9 plus or minus I square root of 207 over 2. Then S will be equal to 9 plus I square root of 207 over 2, or S is equal to 9 minus I square root of 207 over 2. These are other values of x. Therefore, our final answer are S1 is equal to minus 8, S2 is equal to 9 plus I square root of 207 over 2, and S3 is equal to 9 minus I square root of 207 over 2. You can see that here we have one real root and then two complex roots. So we may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. But for us to check, let's check with these real roots and see. To check, we have the given equation s squared minus s raised to power 3 is equal to 576. When s is minus 8, And this is minus 8 square minus bracket minus 8 to the power of 3 must be equal to 576 minus 8 squared. This is 64 minus bracket minus 8 to the power of 3. That is minus 512 must be equal to 576. Then this is 64 minus times minus 512. This become plus 512 must be equal to 576. Now here 64 plus 512, this is 576 is equal to 576, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.